Alright, hi YouTube, this is your president, the Presidential Tourist, back with another video. This here is an unboxing video of an order I bought from a place called Monk's Bread. Now, let me give you a few little bit of information and I'll put some pictures, more information at the bottom. Monk's Bread and Monk's, and I'm reading off their website, specialty bakery, works of the Trappist monks of the Abbey of the Genesee in western New York. Manual work is an integral part of the Trappist life. Each monastic community must support itself by the work of its hands. The bakery supports the monastery's primary mission, which is to pray for the world. The monks of the Abbey of Genesee have been baking monk's bread since 1953, soon after the first monks arrived in the Genesee Valley from the Abbey of Genesee in Kentucky. One of Genesee's first monks, Brother Sylvester, served as a cook in the Navy, making as many as 400 loaves at a time for his shipmates. He continued to bake bread for his brothers of Genesee. And let's see, there's a whole bunch of good about information from here. I'm going to put their link below. But basically, this bread is actually made from actual monks that they sell. You can get it in person and online, as I did. I've got this a few times, so I'm quite experienced with this so far. At least I like to think I am, about how great this bread is. The bread is very good. But I want to film an unboxing video to show you. This is their gift pack. I've got it before. And, well, first let me just unbox this. But that's some basic information from them. So it is a religious order, and how they support themselves is by making this bread and other things as well, which I'll show you. Okay. Better if you open it in the end here. I've done this a few times over the years. Like I said, I'll put more information about them below. It comes in a very nice box. And that one that they mentioned, let me get his name again, I think that is actually Brother Sylvester, right there. And of course you can see him on the website. Okay. This was about $47. Shipping was included. Like I said, nice box. Now, this time around, I got 2 of the Genesee rye, the holiday bread, and the maple cinnamon. First time around, I got like a, so I checked the thing. First time around, I got a couple others with the holiday bread and the Genesee one. Right, but the holiday bread is fantastic. But anyways, this came with 4 loaves, and you get to pick out 3 nice. I'm just gonna get how I get this open. 3 nice jams, and for this one, rhubarb strawberry preserve, which is phenomenal. Trying to get it to focus. Just phenomenal. Blueberry. Now these weren't the only choices of these 3. And cherry. You had one other, just a strawberry. Now they have others, but I think they only have certain kinds for this gift box. Here's one I haven't tried yet. maple cinnamon. Looks really nice. Gives you information about them in the back. Ah, the holiday bread. This is phenomenal. Has some really nice pieces of like fruit in there and everything. It is delicious. Of course, 2 of the Genesee rye, which is really nice. And of course, 1 more Genesee rye. Yeah, but this is the gift box that you could buy. This is 1953. And I may do a video just talking about doing it like a taste test, even though I can technically just tell you right now. It's phenomenal. The rhubarb strawberry preserve is so tasty. One of the better jams, preserves, jellies I've ever had. And the bread's always very good. The rye is phenomenal. The holiday bread's great. I haven't tried the maple cinnamon yet, but all the others that I've tried, I've liked, so I'm sure it's going to be good. But this is nice, and I don't think the price is too bad. You don't have to get the gift box. There's other things you could buy there. I think they have peanut butter too, and they had other different treats and stuff. I will take some screenshots of their website to give you an idea. I'll put the website below. But this is basically just a sampling of some of the products that they have. Of course, the bread is the main famous thing for them. But yeah, I would definitely give these this place a try. It goes for a good cause, and I mean, you don't have to be religious or not to buy this stuff. You can just buy it because you like tasty bread and tasty jam and stuff like that. Like I said, they have other things too. But anyways, I just wanted to show you the unboxing of my Monk's Bread order. Any comments, questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.